Struggling with lag while playing Roblox Mobile? No worries, we're here to help. In this video, I'll guide you through some practical steps to optimize your game and enjoy a smoother experience. Let's jump right in. Start by launching the Roblox app and joining any game you'd like to play. Once the game is loaded, tap the Roblox icon in the top left corner to open the in-game menu. In the menu, tap on Settings and locate the Graphics Mode option. By default, it's set to Automatic, but we'll switch it to Manual. After that, adjust the graphics quality slider by lowering it. This simple tweak reduces the strain on your device, making gameplay much smoother. Experiment with the slider to find the best balance for your device. Next, ensure your phone's resources are focused on Roblox. Close any unnecessary apps running in the background. To do this, access your phone's multitasking view. Swipe up and hold or use the Recent Apps button. Then swipe away apps like social media, streaming platforms, or any others you don't need at the moment. Freeing up memory and processing power can make a noticeable difference. Now, let's check your phone's battery settings. Open your device's settings, scroll down to battery, and ensure low power mode, or similar battery-saving features, is turned off. These modes limit your device's performance, which can cause lag in games. Also, make sure your phone has enough charge. Keeping it above 20% can prevent performance drops caused by low battery levels. After making these adjustments, hop back into Roblox and test your game. You should notice a significant improvement in performance and enjoy a much smoother gaming session. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gaming tips and tricks.